Namaste. India is the country where nature and environment has been given utmost position. But the way today we are disregarding nature and environment. Once upon a time in our country we consider tree as the holy, and that is why we have many festivals wherein tree has been given importance. Vata Purnima, that is celebrated during the month of Jeshta, is the festival related with the worship of banyan tree. However, today people are removing the twigs of the tree and they are worshipping. Actual tradition is worshipping the tree, and during this month the tree not only provides cool shade but gives the fresh oxygen. That is why coming in companionship with the tree is the motto of the Vata Purnima. We celebrate Guru Purnima in the honor of the birthday of Vyas Muni, who penned Mahabharata epic. In Goa, there is tradition wherein the forest dwelling Vaib community on this day venture into the forest and take out the fresh leaves of the Diligenia pentagina, and on this leaf they will make offering of the sweet dish to the deity. In Kankun area, Mallikarjun is called as Malkajad, and there is tradition of singing folk song. Patu Panasare Karmalache Dav Sadaच भड करू मलकाजाडाचे नाव. This is the gratitude expressed by the tribal community, the forest dwelling community to the tree. Tree is important for the Indian. Not only it provides the shade, but the various part of the trees are integral in their livelihood, and that is why respect for the tree is very important. In Goa, there are villages wherein they consider the folk deities like Rashtoli, Daddev reside on the tree, and such type of the trees not only consider as a sacred, but during the night time or during the some occasion of the day, people don't sit under this tree, or they will not wait for a long during the night time under the tree. In reality, during the night time, most of the trees releases carbon dioxide, and that is why sitting under the tree during the night time is prohibited. However, during the daytime, there are people who like to sit under the tree. In Gujarat, the Baniya community involved in the trade and commerce, they were taking shelter in the afternoon under the banyan tree. And that is why when the British saw the community members are sleeping under this tree in the cool shade, they gave name to this tree as banyan tree. And banyan tree is very important, Ficus bengalensis, what we call. And in Goa we have the well-known poet B.B. Borkar, who composed beautiful poem to express the gratitude to the tree. त्या दिसा वडाकडेन गडद तिनसाना मंद मंद वाजत आयली तुझको पाय जाणा. Our banyan tree is made immortal by the poet Borkar. We consider tree as important, and that is why throughout Goa or in any part of India, if you go, for example in Andhra Pradesh, many of the pious saints in the Islam, one will find the trees are protected. The tree like neem, which has medicinal value, is considered as a sacred, and many of the dargah of the Peer found where these trees are there. In Goa also we have the Peer tradition wherein the trees have been protected by the Muslim community in the honor of the pious saint. In Pali Usgaon, on the bank of river Mandavi, there is Terminilla Arjuna tree is there. So this tree has been protected since centuries by the local Muslim community in the honor of the Peer. Terminilla Arjuna has a medicinal property, and people not only gave recognition to the medicinal property of the tree, but they gave religious importance, the cultural importance to the trees. So that is why when we plant indigenous tree, that tree will make our life very cheerful and happy. And that is why protecting tree is important and considered as a religious duty in the Indian religion and culture. And that is why as a citizen of this country, we all are aware that Article 48 and Article 51, these are the two important articles wherein each citizen, each state, it is the bounden duty to protect the environment, ecology and wildlife. And we have to work for the improvement of wildlife ecology, then only our life will be happy, cheerful. So let us come together and plan the strategy of protecting the forest cover. And for increasing the forest cover, there is need to plant as many as tree as possible. And while planting, we have to be very careful that we will see how the wildlife will survive, how ecology will be improved. So in this way, if we continue with the afforestation, that afforestation will be profitable not only to increase the fertility of the soil, but preventing the soil erosion. So it is very important to protect and conserve tree cover.